Hey guys, so-called olds 455 here. So we're going to do a cold start today on the diesel. It's been sitting here for about a day and a half, maybe 2 days. Some of you know I work for the railroad and I work on call, and I haven't been to work in a couple days, just been sitting around the house. Well, now I need to go do stuff, and of course I didn't plug the truck in because when I parked it I figured I'd be going to work shortly. Well, that didn't happen, so last I checked, it was about 9 degrees outside and falling. Again, the truck's been sitting for a couple of days, so we'll run the glow plugs for a full cycle and see what she does here. Should be interesting. It's a 7.3 99 F250 Super Duty. So she's very cold-blooded and does not like the cold at all, so we'll see what happens. Notice the glow plug light is already off, but for any of you that have these Powerstrokes, know that the glow plug cycle is about 3 minutes or so. So I'm going to let it go until that cycle's completely finished with, and then we'll go for a cold start. Alright, so the glow plugs have completed their cycle. We'll give her a start here and see what she does. Make sure that's in neutral there, and there's no safety switch on the clutch anymore, so I can start it from outside the truck here. We'll see what happens. Well, no go on that one. Let's try cycling the plugs another time here. Alright, well, I've ran it through another 2 full cycles here. See what she does this time. Maybe she'll fire. Well, she wants to. Alright, we're going to let the cycle happen again for the glow plugs. See if we can get her fire this time. Give her another couple cycles, see if she'll go this time. There she goes. She's a good truck, she's just a little bit cold-blooded.